Hey guys, Pinnacle Paul here, starting off the new year 2020 right. We got plenty of new inventory in log trailers, McLendon and Big John. We got plenty of Dorsey chassis on the ground as well that need a home. If you're hauling away from the port, give us a call. Timpte hopper bottoms, got them on the ground as well at all three of our locations: Wilmington, North Carolina, Spartanburg, South Carolina, and St. George, South Carolina. Go see one of our sales reps and they'll put you in one today. We got low boys, again, all three locations: Wilmington, Spartanburg, St. George, South Carolina. Please call us. We got them on the ground, ready to sell them. We have plenty of dump trailers. Everybody should be running down here to look at all these dump trailers. If this fine old trailer salesman can run, you can too. Pinnacle Trailer Sales is looking forward to the year 2020, and we want to provide you with the tools to make you successful and hope that you have a good 2020 as well. Thank you from all of us at Pinnacle Trailer Sales, and we look forward to showing you what we got on our next YouTube video. So stay tuned.